Hey guys, this is Parth and I have this Bose Tune 650 portable Bluetooth speaker with me. So in this video, let's do unboxing of this Bluetooth speaker and let's see how it is exactly looks like and what are the features that they are offering. So regarding the pricing, this Bluetooth speaker sells around 1500 rupees. I have purchased it from Amazon and price generally varies around 15 to 1600 rupees. And this Bluetooth speaker has a 10 watt of rating, so it will be interesting how this Bluetooth speaker will sound, how will be the loudness, because the same range Bluetooth speaker is around Podtronic sound from this. That one also has the 10 watt rating, and this one sports an 1800 mAh battery, and both claims that this will last up to 7 hours if we played it on the 60% volume level. So at the 60% volume we will try to test this and see how much it will last, and we will also see in the review that at 100% volume how much the battery will be last. By the way, this Bluetooth speaker comes with the 1800 mAh battery, and the unique thing about this speaker is that this is one of the rare speakers in this price range that supports a multiple connectivity. Like this Bluetooth speaker does come with the aux support, so you can play the songs via auxiliary cable, which is also included in the box. So it is nice thing. Also, this also supports the SD card connectivity. So if you have SD card and if you have older parents, so you can give them by putting SD card on this one. So they did not have mentioned how much storage SD card will support on this one, and obviously Bluetooth 4.2 is here. Yes, the latest Bluetooth 5.0 is not here, so we will see how much long this connectivity of this Bluetooth speaker. By the way guys, this Bluetooth speaker is available in the three colors, the black one, the blue color and the red color, and I have opted for the black color variant, and this also supports IPX5 certification. So in the small rains and a few drops of water and stuff, you will be fine to use it in the slightest of the rain, but you can't just dip it into the water, this Bluetooth speaker, so be aware of that. Also coming to the build quality just seems to be fine. The corner side, both the right hand side and the left hand side, we have this rubber finish, so it looks good. By the way, this is pretty heavy considering this is 10 watt speaker. I will be, if possible, comparing it with the Podtronic Soundrum, which is also 10 watt speaker, and see how is the weight distribution for the same rating of the speaker. So let's now talk about the functionality of different buttons. So we have total of 6 different buttons in this Bluetooth speaker, if you can see, and we have 2 buttons at the center and the other 4 buttons at the 4 corners. That's how it is. It has been set up. So let's talk about first 2 buttons on the center. So upper button in the center is used to switch on the switch of this Bluetooth speaker. So let's just test it instantly.
Power on. You plugged into Nirvana.
As you can see.
Device is ready to pair. Adios amigo, powering on.
And above that we have just one button. That button is used to play or pause music. And in the corner, upper 2 corners, on the right hand side of a corner, left hand side of a corner, we have a button for the increasing volume and the decreasing volume respectively. And on the below the right hand corner and the left hand corner, we have 2 buttons. That is for the on the left side, we can go to the previous track, and in the right side we can go to the next track if you are using it with the SD card and the aux cable, if you don't want to use with any smartphone. So that's how this multifunctional button works. And we have just one mic here to take the calls, and we will test the quality of this mic. And we have just a teeny LED here for the charging. And regarding the charging port, we have here the charging port as well as the aux port. aux port is at a different side. We have to remove this. If we can remove this here, therefore the indication of this micro USB cable for the charging and the aux cable, both ports are here for to use. So that's it from this video, guys. I will be testing this Bluetooth speaker and will let you know that if it is worth 1500 rupees or not. So stay tuned for that on this channel, and as usual, like, share and subscribe to this channel, and keep watching, keep sharing. Stay home and stay safe.